All right, another world record, as many jackhammers as possible in 1 hour. For every jackhammer that I do, I will donate 20 cents to save the children. All right, let's do this. Always to the fullest. Woo! I enjoy it so much. Now it's actually hurting a little bit, but still going good. 420 jackhammers so far. Woo! All right, 1,000 jackhammers in 1 hour, and I donate 20 cents for every jackhammer to the organization Save the Children. People, please help each other, motivate each other, inspire each other, and make it a better world. All right? Peace.